Good morning, dear students. Janaran. Now, today I will discuss with you firstly the one thing, and it's for you, and it's very important, given by principal ma'am. So, please, see in here, always follow SMS. I think you should know that the meaning of the SMS. The first S means that shop, and second M means that mask, and S means that social distancing. So always follow SMS means just use the shop every time. If you are coming from another place, use mask where you are moving, and just follow social distancing concept. Okay, now Janaran students, so today I will discuss with you your next topic. This video for class 12th subject business study and unit 4. So today I want to discuss with you the process of planning. Now students, what is the meaning of process of planning? Process of planning means just before starting the business or any activity, just you should make a plan. So before making a plan, we should just create a simple thing. Now just we can say that the process means if we will do anything with the help of the process, means we can achieve your goals and target related to the organization. Now as we know, means just you should know that as we all know, planning is to be decided in advance what to do and how to do. Means you should know that what is the meaning of what to do. What is the meaning of what to do? Means if you want to start any organization, before starting the organization, you should understand and you should clarify that what to do done. After that, just we should understand how to do. How to do means what is the concept? How to do this work, how to do this plan, how to do create this different thing. Now, so is an activity which follow certain logical step. What is the meaning of logical step? Means that before starting the organization, we should make a plan. As we all know, planning is to be decided in advance what to do and how to do. It is an activity which follows certain logical step. So it is the step. These steps are the process of the planning. Before starting the business, everyone should follow these process. The first is that, listen carefully students, there how many process? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and seventh. There are 7 process. How many process? 7 process. The first is setting objective. Setting objective means that ki just before deciding your plan, before deciding your objective, before deciding your starting your firm, company and organization, just you should set your objective. Then developing premises. After the setting objective, you should develop the premises, means where you will do this, where, in which place, in which area, just it's a plan. Now next is that identifying alternative course of action. It is the third point. Identify alternative course of action means that if we will start, so what is the alternative? Means that once that objective and planning premises are establishing it, so alternative course of action is very important. Now then, evaluating course. What is the meaning of the evaluating course? after that you should know the next step is to be done evaluating. I think you should know that the meaning of evaluating. Evaluate means that before starting the business, just after the setting objective, develop premises, identify the course of action. Evaluating course of means that just we will evaluate everything before starting the business. Means that the next step is to be weight the process and cons of each alternative. Now, the next is that just selecting alternative. Selecting alternative means that if we are doing the business and we have any problems in the organization, so we have alternates. Means this means I think there is a B and C, but if A will not able to understand the work, so we can do. If we are not understand this work, C can do. Means that we have more alternative before, because the work will be not stopped. Now the next is that implementing means that just implementing the plan. Means that implementing the plan means that before, after that means after the selecting alternative, implementation we can say that implementing the plan, just we will implement the plan where it will be finalized. And at the last point is that follow up. Follow up means that planning is a continuous process. You should know that planning is a continuous process. Why we can say that planning is a continuous process? Why? Because every time organization will make a plan and just the plan will be created by one time. But if there is any changes regarding the objective, setting objective, regarding the developing premises, so it will be finalized. It is a process. Means under their process, if there is any problem, so policy and plan can be just change time to time. So follow up is a very important factor. Means that planning is a continuous process, so the manager keep on following up the plans to see that activities are performed as per the schedule or not. So follow up, it is a very important concept. When just for example, we can explain here. A, B, C and D is the worker of the organization, and just the firm will be decided A, setting objective, developing premises, identifying alternative course of action, then evaluating course, and then selecting alternative, implementing the health plans, and after that follow up is a very important concept. It is a continuous process. Are you understand? But after that, if A are not doing work, B are not doing work, C are not doing work, D was not doing work. So on the basis of T, top level management, M, middle level management, and just supervise it. Just we can say that TMS. It is a no problem. Just top level, middle level, just we can say that TML, lower level management. So it is the duty of the top level management. Just top level management will see the follow up. Planning is a continuous process, and if A, B, C are not doing the work in a proper manner, so it will be followed by the top level management, and just top level management take the decision regarding this. So on the basis of this structure, if all workers will do the work and everything will be follow up with the help of the setting objective. So it is the planning process. So please students, read and learn properly, and if you have any problem you can discuss with me. Thank you.